The 6 benefits of a plant-based diet on skin health. Introduction. A plant-based diet has numerous benefits for overall health, but did you know that it can also have a positive impact on your skin health? What you eat can significantly affect the appearance and health of your skin. In this video, we will explore some top facts about the benefits of a plant-based diet on skin health. 1. Reduced inflammation. Plant-based diets are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key contributor to skin problems like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Source: Kim and others, 2019, and McCusker and Grant Kells, 2010. 2. Improved hydration. Fruits and vegetables are high in water content, which can help keep the skin hydrated and improve its appearance. Source: Palmer and others, 2015. 3. Enhanced collagen production. Collagen is a protein that is essential for maintaining the structure and elasticity of the skin. Plant-based diets are rich in vitamin C, which plays a critical role in collagen synthesis. Source: Puller and others, 2017. 4. Reduced risk of skin cancer. Plant-based diets are rich in antioxidants that can help protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation, reducing the risk of skin cancer. Source: Bolzmer and others, 2001. 5. Improved gut health. The health of the gut microbiome has been linked to skin health. Plant-based diets are rich in fiber, which can promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and improve overall gut health. Source: Bowe and Logan, 2011. 6. Reduced oxidative stress. Plant-based diets are rich in antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress in the body, which is a key contributor to aging and skin damage. Source: Stahl and Sees, 2012. In conclusion, incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole foods into your diet can provide numerous benefits for your skin health. By making simple changes to your diet, you can support healthy, radiant, and youthful-looking skin.